Hey Jam fam, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long day here. We've just arrived from a 14-hour flight from Disneyland, and boy are we tired. However, this new iPhone 11 Pro Max, whoa, what a long name, greeted us at the door when we arrived this morning. So I just had to shoot a quick video to unbox it. And also I went down to the Apple Store at Bondi and grabbed myself a case this afternoon, and I took some footage while I was down there of the crowd levels and how busy it was in the store and the new signage for the new phone. And I also asked a few questions like how busy was it this morning, was there a lineup, etc. And I was told by the Apple staff down there that there was huge lineup there, even bigger in Sydney. But then I asked whether they had sold out of any of the phones, any of the models. No, they had not. There's still some available, and in fact I think if you head down there tomorrow you'll still be able to pick one up. So let's take a look at the footage first of the Apple Store, then we'll do some unboxing. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, we really appreciate the love. And ring the bell to be notified of new videos when we upload them. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So let's take a look at the Apple Store Bondi today. Pretty busy down there today, and the new signage just looks fantastic, doesn't it? So let's get into it. Let's do a bit of unboxing on the table. So here it is, the box for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and great packaging as usual from Apple. We have the 256GB version here, peeling back. I love peeling this cover back, so awesome. Revealing the box. Yep, so the 256 version. Opening her up. Inside, whoa, I do love the matte. I didn't think I was going to like the matte, but I really do love it. Yep, I really do like the matte. Peeling back. Always good to expose a brand new iPhone. Yeah, and there it is. Yeah, I do like the matte. Really like the matte with the shiny Apple logo. Awesome. So let's look inside the box. Headphones as normal, or earpods as Apple calls them. Oh snap! Yep, the new USB-C fast charger. Awesome. Yeah, this is going to charge the phone up a lot faster. Really love that Apple included this. I just wish they had USB-C going into the phone instead of this lightning. But yep, super fast charging now, that's awesome. So there we have it, that really shiny matte, well not shiny, the matte finish with the shiny Apple logo. Really love it. Awesome looking new phone. And let's also unbox the cover that I purchased at the Apple Store Bondi today. See how that fits on the phone. Peeling back here, And nice rip there, John. Anyway, let's take it out and see how it fits on the phone. Yep, putting it on, nice and snug, no surprises there. Great feel to the cover, same as it was before, like great silicone feel. I really do like this cover and always use it for my new phones. So that about does it. Unboxing the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. So that's going to be it for today's video, unboxing the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I really didn't think I'd like the matte finish as much as I do. I really do like that finish. I'll let you know how I feel about the phone in the next few weeks after I've transferred from my old phone. In the meantime, please subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. I'm off to get some rest after a huge 7 days, and that's Jam Life signing out.